Hey everybody, in a second you are going to listen to a live call with me and a collections officer, and you're going to see I'm going to want to pay $2,600 on this credit card that's been in collections for like fucking 10 years, so there's probably a crap load of interest on it. But $2,600 was what I maxed it out on years ago, could have paid off, blah, blah, blah. I think collections build up interest. So my goal is, boom, pay $2,600 because that's exactly what I racked up on that card back in the day. And so you're just going to see how I handle them. And hopefully you can learn from my errors and what I do right here to get yourself out of this situation as well. Sorry.
Thank you. As you're acting on behalf of TD and Trust regards your TD Emerald Visa, and there's an outstanding balance of $4,731.49 today.
Okay.
Okay, how can I help you, man? Sir?
Well, yeah, I want to get this taken care of. I had to call TD to find you guys.
Okay. Okay. So, are you able to pay in full today, or?
Well, what type of deal could we do?
Well, if you can come up with the full balance, we can try to give you there's two options here, sir.
Yeah.
So one is we can offer you a settlement.
Okay.
Okay. So reduce the balance for you, and if you can come up today, so we can give you a better deal for you to pay that out.
Okay. What would?
And the second option is do a monthly payment for the full balance.
Oh no, I'll just do the full pay. I'll pay it today. What type of settlement?
Settlement?
Yeah. Like what?
Well, before we offer you a settlement here, okay? I'll just ask you a few questions. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you currently employed, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. What is your monthly income?
So, can you guys I'm willing to do 2,600. Can you just do that?
2,600.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have to ask TD about that. Okay. Is that okay? Just give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay. One moment, sir.
Right in the drive.
Okay. Thank you for holding, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
So
here.
you said you paid 2,600 today, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's good. I'll say. So we'll accept this offer. 2,600.
Okay. So
Okay. So are you able to pay it on an online banking right now, sir?
So what I need first, I need something in writing. Says once I send the 2,600, the account will be closed. As soon as I get.
We'll send a release letter after we receive the payment.
No. Before I send the 2,600, I need something that just says, if I send the 2,600, the account will be closed, and then I'll do the online banking or whatever it is. I need our agreement in paper before I send you any money.
We're on the paper. Okay. So you have to fax us the letter of directions. We will send you the settlement letter. We accept the offer is 2,600.
Okay. So you'll send that letter, or I have to fax you?
Okay. The step is you have to send us a fax.
Okay.
To give us permission that we can fax you a letter.
Jesus. Okay.
Okay.
Seems so ridiculous, huh? Okay. What's your fax number?
Okay. Hold 1 second here. Our fax number is 905.
Yeah.
886.
Okay.
5784.
Okay.
Okay, so for the letter, you have to write down. Okay, you have pen and paper right now, right?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, so you have to write down I,
Yeah.
your name,
Yeah.
give permission
Yeah.
to Partners in Credit
Yeah.
to fax settlement letter to your fax number.
Fax number. Okay.
And then you have to sign it,
Yeah.
your signature, and today's date.
And the date. Okay, cool. So I'll send that probably. Yeah.
Okay, so once we receive it,
Okay.
then we will send you the settlement letter.
Okay.
We'll accept your offer is 2,600.
Yeah.
You should, yeah. And then you make the bill payment, and then we will fax you the release letter as well.
Okay, cool.
Once we got the payment.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah, no, that makes sense. And then, what was I going to say? How long will it take you to send me the settlement letter once you get my fax? Like a couple minutes, or like?
We'll do it right away.
Right, yeah, because like I don't have a fax machine,
yeah,
so I'm gonna go to a place. So I just wait there, and you guys will fax it back.
Because our office closes at 4 p.m.
Yeah, I'll do it on Monday. I'll do it on Monday. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good.
Once we receive the letter, we'll do it right away for you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Hey, question. Could I have probably got it a little less?
This is the last offer.
Yeah.
Because
I said.
Yeah.
No, it's all good. 2,600. It was what? 2,600 was exactly what I owe on that card. Anyways, so no worries. I'll send you the settlement letter. Do I address who it's to, or just put my name and you guys will sort it out when you receive it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
You can write down the reference number too.
Oh, and the reference number. Okay. Cool.
It'll be easier to look for your files.
Cool.
Okay.
Love it, man. All right. Thank you. I'll send it on Monday. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye. And that is how you don't pay any interest fees when your credit card, whatever, goes to collections. I just wanted to pay the exact amount I owed. Fuck the interest. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you want to learn how to increase your income, take back your freedom, and design your ultimate lifestyle.